I think so we get zero power units occasionally. We pick a measurement. Here we can see about the range, which is it's called sharing 11 a volt. So it is 100 volts around here, the scale. So something like now currently 70 millivolts. It's a different currency deposit here. Let's see about how this varies. Okay, so really, and there is problems coming up, and like everything is always going to problems. What is this satellite thing around? I don't get it. Wait a second. Is this doing the part? If I take a speaker away, I don't get it. Okay, sure. Let's see. But something has to be doing about this. Okay, what I'm talking now here. I'm just waiting for something is kind of get better with this hope, with this silly hope. You shouldn't have done any changes. Let's see about that. Is anything really different? Anything really at all different, I guess? To be honest, I'm not sure at all. Well, what happened here? Well, let's keep continuing. Station. So, what is smelling here? I'm not sure about that. Anyway, it looks like a patient. So I got my solar tissue putting in. So power, see about some measure. Okay, 6 volts about the duration. Let's think about it if I put it those computers. One of the things is how the hell use. There's two of the lines. One is inline. You know about the comp. Fuse it together. There's a variation. There is 3 positions you can put those measurement pins. I call this pins, Isabella. There's something interesting around. Something very warm here at this system. I'm not sure about what's causing it, because there is no power anywhere line to put there. This have no static light. If I only do 2 millivolt, 20 millivolts of the static electricity of this power unit. And take a look around. I'll just testify this case both together. Look at this. Here it is. So there is a little increase here, but the static usually embedded. So you know about the electricity about how this quizzing of this device is occasion. I'm just myself checking after this. Now the different components inside here. This computer. I mean, there is no power inside currently. I think I can make those power measurement with this unit is a memory card, not much. Different various parts of the components in the CPU now. MOPO. I just put it MOPO. The graphic cards, various kind of power electric lines. It is absolutely zero. As you know, there is somehow too. It's only like 20 millivolts of the static charge, because it is usually. I mean, when you just define different options, there is something like 10 different slots. You know about your measurement. One of the things is first is called how to learn to use this machine, and this machine apparently is quite obvious here. If you do just testify example here, you should get 230 if you put it just the power socket inside the occasion. One of those stickers. I can show it. I'm not sure about this good enough. It might be broke this machine to put it straight to the power socket inside, but it should be somewhere around 230 to the total charge around. And I'm usually getting it like a 110 anywhere around. There is something like a maximum minimum range or something, and you can be automatically adjusting the currency. But I don't want to break this case. There's a little more static electricity on these devices. Even they have not been used in a couple of years, they still look at this. This is a MOPO. I get the pace. They're putting various size in a power unit. Here it is. There it is. Usually it should be get bigger numbers. Let's look at this. What difference now can happen? Look at this. It's very static electricity with the steel holding on the and barium. Okay, so taking a remove it immediately description. This kind of a small part, usually different metals can hold various kind of static electricity and different components. I mean, in real life, you're never able to yourself ever detecting a couple millivolts of the charges because they're exceptionally small currencies and ever to your hands. Therefore, you're never able to detect it. I don't know any humans who have developed in very what I can myself say about occasion. Let's look at the power slotification. Here it is, a socket inside those. Okay, so let's see what the parameters numbers they kind of give it us. Look at it now. It should be getting increased because I should be directly for power output. Put those and look at this. We get 0. This is actually quite interesting. Okay, so user should be able to putting in it. We get nothing here for the whole attraction is zero electricity. There might be a problem with a couple of days. I found about that the fee of this might already done. Usually you need to know about the different kind of electrical components putting in mobile, and the huge amount of certain cylindrical what I can call about everything is called components in the certain senses, but they all have been here. And they all have their own utility, the number, and when it is every object have its own designation name. So am I gonna achieve anything? This is one of the important thing about when it is a power unit, which are different. They usually have two different worldwide of their case, depending what country you are locating. There is 8230, or alternatively, if it's able to turn outside here, to change that option, is 110 volts and current. There is quite a huge difference between these two currents, but anyway, this is the most used in the world. Okay, we got quite a lot of different kind of devices to able to changing and those options. I mean, I'm gonna put this off because I'm not wasting of the battery and power electricity. I mean, do you even know where the hell it can be restored of the other kind of version? I mean, well, this is impossible to even change automatically. Okay, the power button is off on here. So what I'm gonna do now, I apparently has no other choices than example to like the repeating putting back